Growing up, not per a musician.
All my life. From the day I was born, I think. No, all the time. Until I was in the choir and everything. I played with lots of bands. I'm a live musician person. I'm a digital and a studio person. I'm a very, very live performer.
Live band in idea.
Yes.
At which age now discover I say I want to take this serious? The person we go professional on this.
From I could remember, my parents know what's my mama yet. My papa knows me law. Until me nursing to please them. Just, to make them know I got a profession. But seriously, entertainment industry wasn't something that would pay me a cry.
No mom pay because I think so no more doing say scan him and now you're for serious.
You see, number one, you're from a home where your parents are professionals. To them, papa, they are a diplomat, no mommy or your headmistress. Until for what back to say, hey, I'm about to be a musician. No. And so that was the issue I had. But me, as soon as I was getting older, what's a massacre cry? Especially my mommy, she understood.
And I say, you don't pass away.
Yes.
Who choose music partner? Or find any difficulties and I say, you're smooth.
It wasn't easy. Once again, being female is always difficult. But I was blessed. Me Pia was born in the sense that directed me into the mutu all genres. I mean, from jazz, blues, reggae. Even I used to sing in Punjabi. From the mutu me yamakake. And me a session musician for a very long time. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. But time be drew and now say me and person me music. I don't want to do music anymore.
I've never felt like that. I took time out, but I never said not to do it again. Mid there, I dabbled in other entertainment, like acting, TV, and also content. So these are the things that I've dabbled in. Yeah.
And then just saying, "You're not going."
That be.
Yes, I be and come get board along the way.
Yes.
Into your acting kakra home, and now they are kakra home.
All little bits.
To spice it up.
Aye.